Hi everyone, I am Shiv Gupta and today in this video I am going to share some proven e-commerce marketing tips that can boost your online sales, capture new customers and boost loyalty among your existing customers. First strategy is produce original content. The first step in setting up an e-commerce website is creating content. Creating high quality and original content sets you on the path to success because it resonates with your customers in a way that makes them want to interact with you, purchase from you, and maintain a following. This viewer, as you can see on the screen, is reading the information and enjoying it. I am guessing she is getting something simple, original and informative in that content. So she is definitely going to follow you more or make a purchase from you. So be creative and original. Promoting original content is a great way to make a statement, strike a compelling idea and leave a mark on the mind of the user. Second is optimize your checkout process. Reduce your cart abandonment by optimizing the checkout process. This is one of the e-commerce marketing strategies that is often neglected by businesses, but it is probably the most important one. Shoppers want to make a purchase as quickly and easily as possible. A complicated checkout process with many steps and multiple forms can create friction and slow your shoppers down. For example, let's talk about eBay. It is providing a visible add to cart and buy now CTA at the right hand side of their website. I didn't have to make any sort of effort to search for the add to cart option. Neither I need to scroll down to find that add to cart button. Also, while making a purchase, don't include a lengthy checkout form. Just keep it simple. On the screen, you can see that while making a purchase, I didn't have to fill any lengthy forms. I was just asked to fill in the shipping address and the payment method. That's it. So, your checkout process should be smooth and your form should be short. Your customers are going to be happy if you do this, and it is definitely going to boost your conversion rates and decrease cart abandonment. Number 3, invest in micro influencers. Influencer marketing can be expensive, but micro-influencers are usually available on a small budget. Social media users with 10 to 30k followers are considered micro-influencers. They are usually happy to promote your product for a small fee or free products from your business. So they are much more affordable. For example, in one of our clients' website who was selling makeup products, we contacted with lot of bloggers and micro-influencers, sent them our product to test, and after testing, like for instance, if we send them a lipstick, while using that lipstick, they created a video and shared that on their Instagram. So they got a lipstick or a makeup product in at free of cost, and in return we got some popularity or we got some visibility. And not just that, this also gives an impression of being real since they appear to be more home-based than a polished corporate machine. Number 4, send wishlist reminder email. The wishlist reminder email is surely related to the abandoned cart email. Both are designed to convert shoppers to take the final step in purchasing the product that they have shown intent to buy. For example, a week ago, I added some cufflinks in my wishlist section, thinking of purchasing it in the future. Now they are sending emails to remind me of the cufflinks that I have left in the wishlist section and encouraging me to complete the purchase. So send out these kind of reminder emails to let your customers know and also encourage them to make a purchase. You can also try doing things like if someone tried to make a purchase but it didn't work for some or the other reason, then you can send them reminder emails to complete their purchase, or maybe send them a discount coupon to encourage them to make that purchase right away. Number 5, implement Google Shopping ads. There are many ways to generate sales for your e-commerce stores. One method that is often overlooked by many is Google Shopping ads. These ads appear when there is a search query of a product on Google. For example, when I type iPhone 12 in the search engine, these ads appear on the top of the search results. Because these ads appear at the top of the search results, your product ads are going to appear where the searchers are going to look the most. So whenever Google matches your products with the phrase user searches for, the chances that they trust your brand enough to make a purchase are way higher. The next strategy on our list is retargeting, which is very powerful. Do you know 98% of your visitors won't buy on their first visit, and 55% of the website visitors leave your website within the first 15 seconds of their visit. If you want to capture those sales, you need to have retargeting e-commerce marketing strategies in place. There are several ways you can retarget customers. One of the most popular ways is to run retargeting ads on other website. As you can see on the screen, a customer came to this site to shop for boots and left without buying. So they used other sites that the customer is visiting, like Facebook, to remind her about the product she left without purchasing. Pretty cool, right? You know, you can also retarget customers with email campaigns. Have you ever added items to your cart in an online store without purchasing and then receiving an email a few days later that looked something like this? If so, you have just been retargeted. These emails may attract you to purchase items you have left behind or to shop for other similar items on the same site. This increases the traffic of your site, which can get you more conversion and more sales. So with this, we are at the end of this video. Well, if these strategies are executed properly, they surely help you to build trust and create a following of loyal customers that purchase from your business again and again. So that's all from my end. I'll see you in another video. Until then, keep moving forward. Bye-bye.